Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of resistors, one of the fundamental components in electronics. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, understanding resistors is crucial for your projects. So, let's get started. What is a resistor? First things first, what exactly is a resistor? A resistor is an electronic component that resists the flow of electric current. It's measured in ohms, and its primary function is to limit the current that flows through a circuit. This helps protect sensitive components and control voltage levels. Types of resistors. Now, let's talk about the different types of resistors. There are two main categories: fixed resistors and variable resistors. Fixed resistors have a specific resistance value that doesn't change, while variable resistors, or potentiometers, allow you to adjust the resistance. You can find fixed resistors in various forms, such as carbon film, metal film, and wire wound. Understanding Ohm's law. To fully grasp how resistors work, we need to understand Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a resistor is directly proportional to the voltage across it and inversely proportional to the resistance. This can be summarized with the formula V equals I times R, where V is voltage, I is current, and R is resistance. This relationship is vital for designing and analyzing circuits. How to read resistor value. Next up, let's learn how to read resistor values. Most resistors have color bands that indicate their resistance value. The first two bands represent significant digits, the third band is the multiplier, and the fourth band indicates tolerance. For example, a resistor with the color bands brown, black, and red would have a resistance of 1000 ohms, or 1k ohm. It's a handy system once you get the hang of it. Applications of resistors. So, where are resistors used? They're everywhere in electronics. Resistors are used in voltage dividers, current limiters, and pull-up or pull-down configurations in digital circuits. They also play a crucial role in biasing transistors and setting gain in amplifiers. Without resistors, many circuits wouldn't function properly. Choosing the right resistor. When it comes to selecting the right resistor for your project, consider a few factors: the resistance value you need, the power rating, and the tolerance. The power rating tells you how much power the resistor can handle without overheating, which is typically measured in watts. Always choose a resistor that can handle more power than your circuit will draw to ensure safety. Common mistakes. Let's quickly go over some common mistakes people make with resistors. One of the biggest mistakes is using the wrong resistance value, which can lead to circuit failure. Another common error is not accounting for the power rating, which can cause resistors to burn out. Always double-check your calculations and component specifications. And that's a wrap on resistors. We hope this video helped you understand what resistors are, how they work, and their importance in electronic circuits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more electronics content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.